Good morning, ma'am. My name is Bindu. I am from EC department in Srinivasa Ramanujan Institute of Technology. Today my topic is backside, intermediate side, foresight, change point with a neat sketch. Backside. The backside, also known as rear side, is located to the closest shooter eye. It provides a reference point for aligning the other side. The shooter looks through the backside to establish a contest side figure. Intermediate side. The intermediate side is positioned between the backside and the foreside. It helps in translating the focus from the backside to the foreside. The sides in creating a smooth alignment process of accurate shooting. Foresight. The foresight, also called front sight, is located at the end of the barrel of a firearm. It is the sight that is aligned with the target for aiming. The shooter focuses on aligning the foresight with the target while keeping the backside in view. Change point. Change point is the specific distance at which the transition focus from the backside to the foresight. It marks the point where the needs to shift their concentration for aiming. Establishing the change point is essential for conscious and accurate. This is the diagram of backside, intermediate side, and foresight. Provide a detailed sketch illustrating the positions of the site, intermediate site, and the foresight of a firearm. Label each site clearly to demonstrate their placements and relationship to each other. The visual will help in better understanding the alignment process. Discuss about contour map, contour intervals, or gender equivalence. Introduction to contour mapping. Contour mapping is a technique used in cartography to present the three-dimensional shape of the terrain on two-dimensional surface. It involves drawing contours lines on a map to connect points of equal elevation. Contour maps provide visual information for various fields such as geography, geology, and civil engineering. What are contour lines? Contour lines are imaginary lines on a map that concept points of equal elevation. They help visualize the shape and steepness that terrain. Closer contour lines indicates steep terrain where widely spaced lines indicate gentle slopes. Understanding contour intervals. Contour intervals refer to the vertical distance between two adjacent contour lines on a map. Common contour intervals include 10 feet, 20 feet, or 50 feet, depending on the scale of the map and the topography of the area. Smaller contour intervals provide more detailed information about the terrain. Finding the contour intervals. Find the index contours. Determine the elevation difference between the two index contours. Count the number of spaces between the two index contours. Divide the elevation difference between the importance of contour intervals. Contour intervals helps users interpret the topography of the land accurately. They allow for the identification of features such as hills, valleys, and ridges. Choosing the contour intervals is crucial for creating accurate and informative contour maps. Horizontal equivalent in contour mapping. Horizontal equivalent refers to the horizontal distance between two adjacent contour lines. It can be calculated by multiplying the contour intervals by the scale factor of the map. Horizontal equivalence helps determine the actual distance on the ground represented by a certain distance on the map. Applications of contour mapping. Contour mapping is widely used in various fields such as land surveying, urban planning, and environmental management. It helps in site selection for construction projects, analyzing drainage patterns, and assessing slope stability. Contour maps are essential tools for decision making in land development and resource management. Conclusion. Contour mapping is a valuable technique for representing the topography of the land in a clear and informative way. Understanding contour lines, contour intervals, and horizontal equivalence is essential for creating accurate and useful contour maps. By utilizing contour mapping effectively, professionals can make informed decisions in various fields and enhance the understanding of the natural landscape. Thank you.